My name is Clara Davis. The most exciting part of my future career as a medical biller and coder will be the fact that I don't have to work with the public in a person-to-person setting. I am not very good at handling people-to-people contact. I do better if I'm behind the scenes, talking on the phone, working on the computer. That is where I feel the most comfortable. Working as a medical biller and coder, I will obviously be behind the scenes. I may have to speak with people occasionally, when they call or come in with questions about their bill or why this was handled this way with the insurance instead of this way. And I will have to speak with the physician and query them on why this procedure was done and how, so that I can code it to the highest level it can legally be coded as. And according to explorehealthcareers.org, since physicians and hospitals depend on accurate coding to receive the proper reimbursement, the role of the coder is becoming more valued as the years progress, because they are realizing that they need an outside source to handle their billing and coding instead of trying to do it in office, because it is such a large part of their office that they need an individual just handling that and not just the secretary or the office manager or even one of the nurses. It just needs to be handled by someone else that's been trained for that, so that any questions that arise, they can be taken care of by a professional in that capacity.